My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the website newsguiado.com. Newsguiado.com is a new pretty malicious site which attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But the point is that it's a mistake to click on allow. This may hijack the browser with a lot of intrusive pop-ups that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. So remove any junk sites in case you find them, including this newsguiado.com. Carefully get rid of all of them. There is a program that can help you do that automatically. It is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will also help you to remove other threats which could possibly still remain on the computer. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download it. Install the program and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.